Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story music node as all found problem. See here your problem. Okay, let's see how to fix it. Just follow my process. Okay, first of all find your Google Play Store apps and just click on it. Now simply tap on search bar. Now search here Instagram apps. Now you can update your Instagram app. After update your Instagram app, wait for installing. Now back to home and you need to find your phone setting. Just click on it. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now simply search here Instagram. Now you can find the storage option and click on it. Now tap on clear cache. Again click on clear data and tap on delete. Now simply back and find here your permission option. Just click on it. Now here you can see many permission. Just allow all permission. Now back to home and go to your Instagram app. Now search here any music as like this way you can easily solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.